Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Legend of YMIR game crashing, keep stopping, not launching, not loading, not working, lagging or other issues on Android phone. So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your Android device once. So for that click on power plus volume up button and here you will get restart option. So this will restart your device. Now after restarting your device, check if you can play the game or crashing is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to check internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then go to mobile data and do vice versa, and then check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to force stop the app. For that, hold the game icon, then click on app info, and now click on force stop option, then click on OK. So this will force stop the app completely, and after that try to launch the game and see if it opens. If not, you have to clear the cache of that particular game. So simply click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache, and once you clear the cache of the game, try to play the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next method is to check whether the game needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Legend of YMIR. Now here you have to check if any update is available. If any update is there, click on update option and then try to play the game. Apart from this, you should also check if any OS update is available. For that, go to settings of your device. Now click on system update and here you should check if any update is available. If yes, then click on update option, and after updating your device OS, check if you can play the game. If after following all the methods, if the problem, last solution is to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, then click on uninstall option over here and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game completely from your device. Now after that, restart your device once and again go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Legend of YMR and here you need to click on install option. Now this will install Legend of YMR once again, and after that try to play it and see if everything is working fine or not. So these are few solutions to fix crashing, not working, not launching, not loading, keep stopping or other issues on Legend of YMIR game on Android devices. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.